Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.